morning everyone. It's our checkout day from Universal Endless Summer and the Universal area. Oh, I'm going to miss this view of Epic. Can't believe every day we've been able to look at Epic. Oh, so sad. We just loved it so much, that's why it's so sad. And I'm just feel so lucky that we've got to have this view of it. Anyway, we're off for breakfast. We're all pretty much packed, you can see. Our suitcases are full to the brim. We're probably just under our weight limit at the moment, which is good because we're going to do a bit more shopping today. We're going to go hopefully to Walmart, Target and Ross store, but we'll see how we go. And then we're going to go to Disney Springs in the late afternoon, and we're going to have dinner at the Polite Pig, if hopefully it's not too busy and we can get in and use one of our quick service dining plan credits. So we've got the full dining plan for Disney Springs, so we'll use our quick service for dinner for the Polite Pig. But for now we're going to go to IHOP. We're going to IHOP for breakfast. So now we're going to go to breakfast. We're going to have one last time at IHOP because the rest of all our dining will be like in the Disney World Resort when we're there. We've got a lot of pre-booked things and character meals. So let's go have breakfast so we can come back and check out and head over to Pop Century. Our breakfast is here. I've got the avocado toast with 2 poached eggs and a hash brown, which is tiny. I'm not impressed this morning. Even Franyo's is tiny. He actually ordered sausages. We've got bacon. He got the pancake combo, blueberry pancakes. Ava got egg and toast, and Lexi got the kids' pancakes. Okay, all loaded up, and we're going to go and check it out and head to Pop Century. This is reception area, the main hall. I'm just going in to finish our online check-in. There's some information missing. I was told by the cast member at the front. So I'm just going to line up here. Wow, that looks like a big store. I'm going to have to go there to get our magic bands and our refillable mugs. We're all checked in and we got our pins. We got our Happily Ever After 10-year anniversary one.
I got my
Lexi got her birthday one for when it's her birthday. And we got our first visit pins to wear. Yeah, they got already.
And the background's my favourite colour.
Yeah.
I only had one and you got it.
Our passes.
Can I see? Which is my pass?
Key to the world.
Do I not have a pass?
Yeah, you have one too.
No.
We just got a taxi to Walmart. We're just going to go in and do some shopping in here, see what they've got. Oh wow, this one's got lots of Disney stuff. Wow, this is, I forgot to say, this is the Kissimmee one. Wow. $1.
too big to drink out of.
Not really. I would have liked one like that. Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. Lint rollers, anyone? Oh, the girls found the toys. What is that? It's a splash pump. I think it's for the pool. Like the one we got at home, but this one's a Disney one.
Oh, yeah.
See? And the water goes out the other side, Ava, where the other hand is.
Oh, except for you just broke it. No.
That's it, Lexi, and the water will come out there. Like the one we have at home. Oh my God, it goes on forever, this store. Well, you know they're going to be here somewhere. Straight to the dolls. Let me have a look at the clothes. Let's have a look if there's any hats. Yeah, I love Goofy. Oh wow, tights. How much are they? Wouldn't mind a pair. $13.98. But they look like they're very long. Let me have a look. Just looking at the hats. I really like this one. How much are they? Sorry. Oh, what is it? Doesn't have a price on this one. I think they're like $14. I like that. Or like the comic strip one. I'm just thinking, would I wear it? Probably just for the parks. Oh, that's a cute one.
Mommy, you have this pin.
Some PJs. So this
You
is,
have this pin.
yeah, I know. He's the wizard. This is the style of pajama top I like, but I wanted it more coloured, not grey.
That's only your pants.
These ones would be more my style. Have a look up here. Plushies. They're $11.97. Family vacation tops. Bags. It's a nice stitch one. Smurfs. Hello Kitty. Bluey. Fans, water ones. Eye masks. What are these? USB cable clips. Lanyards. For what? Can't remember. $7.48 here. Maybe, I don't know, that or a bit more. Might have been a bit more. Mugs. I think these are photo albums. Yep. They're $9.97. Notebook. Oh, they're cute pens. Look at them. We told you to stay with us. Minnie and Stitch. You have to have a look in the kids section. Kids ones here. Oh, how cute is that top?
Is this a princess?
Yes.
This is what I was looking at before.
How cute. The boys section and younger kids. Oh, that's cute.
I would like this a lot again, actually.
Oh, this is girls and boys. So much, but it's like, how many can you have? Oh, these are cool jumpers. Men's. This is my happy place. Stitch. They got matching bottoms.
Look at this bottle.
Bum bags. Or in America they call them fanny packs. Bags. Oh, that's nice.
But it wouldn't fit the book bag right.
Some little crossbody bags, sorry. The Stitch one.
Look at this.
Oh, that's pretty. And looking at the cups.
Yeah. Look behind you.
All right, give me a sec. Bottles.
This one.
This is the one I bought. Could have got an insulated one. Oh well. Some more mugs. Wow. Oh my god. I wish it was actually chipped. How cute is this? I've actually bought too many. I think I've got like 5 mugs already.
Yeah.
I really want that.
And you don't.
It's actually dented like it's chipped to give that perception. I'll have a think about it. I really like that one.
You have plenty of mugs that you don't.
I know, but I want to add it to my collection.
We have plenty that you don't use. And that whole one section is like mostly filled with your cups.
How cute is this one?
How cute is
Look at that.
this?
Oh, that's got this on top. Same with these ones.
I want this.
Some more bottles.
This is the one I want.
Some plastic
I
plates.
want this. It's just
And bowls.
soft.
Oh, look at those. How cool. Some towels.
Look at this.
Oh, big Mickeys. How much are they? Not bad, $22.97. Ponchos. There's a big Harry Potter section. There's wands, Lexi.
How much are they? Is it Hermione? Oh, up
I
there,
don't
up
know.
there, up there.
Yeah, it's $15. $14.97. Coats. A light. And you got so much tops. Sweaters. And you got Universal stuff. Jaws, Shrek,
Ivan would like
Minions.
this because he had a minion birthday.
Some more Harry Potter. You got mugs. Lexi, there's some more ones here. These ones $7.97. Well, then you have to get the $15 one if you want a Hermione one. Hats.
Harry Potter glasses.
Oh yeah. Now we're in the female clothing. See what they've got. That's nice.
Would I get it? No.
I like that too.
I
Some trackies. I like this. Oh, it's Sofia Vergara brand. It's not bad, $32.
Do you want this?
Some bags. Okay.
And this one.
Whoa, look at all these plushies with a big mini on top. They're $8.97 each.
I think pirates
Look at all the dresses, Ava.
none of these are gonna fit.
Oh, you just gotta find your size. Thongs, flip-flops. Sonic, some more plushes. Mario, The Simpsons, some Disney ones. Oh, that's a cute Stitch one.
I would have saw
How much are these?
That's
$6.88.
a Spider-Man and slushy.
This Walmart is absolutely huge, massive. Like, look at it.
Mama, it's not
Shoes, I like that style. How much are these? 20.
I feel like I'm comfortable.
Oh my god, I want to try these. Why couldn't they have it in a smaller container? It's $6.46. I really want to try them. So many flavours of everything. That'll be a nice flavour, or that one. I'm on a mission to find those Reese's cupcakes that we got from Target before. We want those again, they were so good. I wish we could take some home. Might get 2 packets and take some for the plane. Look at all the cereal. How many different cereals could you have? What are these? Are they cereal? Big bags of cereal? $5.48? Holy crap.
32 ounce.
What's 32 ounces in? 1.56 kilos. Wow. And that's pretty cheap. The price I pay for like 950 grams of cornflakes, I pay $7.50. Even when you convert these, some of them are a lot cheaper. Squishamallow cereal. Wow. How good do these scrolls look? Yum, cinnamon scrolls. And this, what is it? A strawberry cheese Danish. Oh, yum. Is it strawberry cinnamon scrolls? Oh, actually no cinnamon, just strawberry scrolls. Some marble pound cake. There's chocolate too. Or there's a 3 flavour pack. Cupcakes. Cookies. Ava found the donuts. These ones look better if we can put up here.
This will taste similar to that Reese's one.
You can try it.
These are the ones I love. Why?
The caramel ones.
Are those the ones I love?
How much are they? Whoa, that's not a bad price for.
It was $4.24 for 6.
Yeah, but I don't know if that is there glaze. Can you get the plain one? Yeah. Do you want just glazed, Ava? They're up here.
Yeah, those ones I have it.
How much are they? $4.24. Yeah, those are the ones Ava wants. Those ones? All right, let's get them. Look at all the cakes. Yum. Macarons, cheesecakes. Oh, that's a key lime pie. Just there. Banana pudding next to it. Oh, yum. There's individual ones. Well, how much are they? $2.98.
Let's get some.
Yum.
Oh, this is.
But we're getting this.
And I'm getting.
The strawberry cheese Danish.
I'm getting this.
Wow, you can get a Mickey cake. It's $14.98.
And a mini cake.
Oh yeah, there's mini as well.
Oh,
We're just looking here for those Reese's chocolate cupcakes, but they don't have any. Must be just a Target thing. Oh, they look cute. But we end up getting some Twinkies. We don't have a very healthy trolley. So cute. And you've got your alcohol section. Done. Oh, okay, I think we're done in Walmart. Ah, you can get the Mickey ice creams here. How much are they? $8.72. This is our Walmart haul. We've got a couple of tops as gifts. Lexi got a jumper. Frania got some thongs, and we've got some snacks. The girls have already been into the donuts. Lexi got a notebook. Yeah, we've got some, what is it, Cheetos?
Yeah, Cheetos.
We've got those
I'm not opening
peanut
up
butter
this
filled pretzels. We've got the strawberry and cheese Danish down there, and the Twinkies. We've got some grapes and strawberries.
I don't care.
Okay, we got the taxi from Walmart to Target, and then we're going to go to the Ross store, which is just across the road. For those Reese's cupcakes. Oh, yum. Not in this aisle. Nutella. What size is that? I don't know what size it is. Look big, but quite expensive compared to, it's like the same price what we pay back home, but when you convert it, it's more expensive. Okay, let's have a look here. Here they are. Found them. Gonna get us a couple of these. They are so good. So that's 750 grams is $9.50. This one is 1 kilo for $10.89. Back home we pay, I think, $13. So this is a little bit more expensive when you convert it. And this one is probably the same if you don't convert it, but converted, this one's more expensive here. Wow. Okay, I'm also on a mission for a hairdryer because the ones in the hotel rooms have been crap, except for when we stayed at Lowe's. Royal Pacific, that was a good hairdryer, but the ones at the lower range hotels have been pretty bad. Not enough force to dry mine or the girls' hair. This one seems pretty good with the watts. I'm thinking to get this one, or this one that folds, maybe this one. It's pretty much the same, but it folds. So that's $14.99, this is $19.99 plus tax. Target's done. We only got the hairdryer and the Reese's cupcake treats. And we're just gonna get coffee now here at Starbucks. We just stopped for lunch for the girls because I was starving. We're in this place called the construction zone. It's right next to Target. It's pretty cool. We're actually sitting in like a digger.
And
They've got the back of a ute there as a booth. Pretty cool place. Then they've got a mural. It's got Islands of Adventure, Volcano Bay, Universal Studios, Animal Kingdom, Epcot, Magic Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios. It's really nice. They just need to add in Epic now.
I either got a yellow one,
They got construction worker hats. Lexi got purple, Ava got the yellow one there. And Lexi got the kids burger, which comes with 2 burgers.
I thought it came with 1 big one.
And Ava got the kids hot dog. We just got something light to share. We're getting the Southwestern flatbread just to share to keep us going till dinner. This is our flatbread. Looks good. Just show you around. So this is what we're sitting in. How cool is that? It's another booth. Another one. That's the restrooms. How cool is it? It looks like a portaloo, but it's not. We finished lunch at the construction zone and we've just called for an Uber to take us back to our hotel because our room is ready, or it was ready a while ago, a couple of hours ago, but it's about 4:30 now, so we'll go straight there, get our luggage, have a little break before we head to Disney Springs for dinner, because me and Fanny only had something light, so we'll want dinner. Okay, we are in the 80s building, building 7. Our room is 7208. And coming into our room, we've got the Murphy bed there. You got a little table there, so when that comes down, that will collapse. Got a bedside table for that Murphy bed there. We've got a little fridge, which is probably just a cooler fridge. Coffee machine. What have we got? Is that tea or coffee? Oh, I think that's coffee. There's your tea, milk, some sugars. You've got the cups, ice bucket. You got a bin for rubbish and recycling, which is good. That's a light. Then we've got storage, the main bed. There's another bedside table there.
Wow.
And another one over there, and they look like both sides. You got the light switches, and both sides have 2 power points and 2 USB slots. Oh, there's the safe. Ava just opened the cupboards. We're under the TV. Thanks, Ava. You got hooks, which is right next to the TV to hang things, which is good. I like that. That's so cute with Mickey. It is a smaller room than what we had at Universal, but we'll make do. Like, we're not always going to be in here. We're going to be out doing stuff. Then we come into here with the bathroom. It's a decent size. I can't complain. We've got a small wardrobe though, but it's okay. We'll make do with that. Storage space here. We've got the iron, and we've got a decent hairdryer here. I didn't have to buy one. Oh well. Tissues, toilet paper, some face washer towels. There's the ironing board. You got ample storage space, which is good. You put everything off under there to keep the top clean, provide more storage. Oh, so that's a backup supply. You've got tissues here. We've got a hand soap, hand towels. We've got 2. Then going into the shower area, we've got we've got 4 main towels. We've got another 2 over there, and another 2 hand towels there, which is good because I was going to say 2 wasn't enough. So we've got 4, and the bath mat. The toilet's just here, so similar layout to at Universal where we're staying. And then you've got in here, at least here they provide you with shampoo, conditioner and body wash. I hope they're good. I'm not sure what they'll be like, sea marine. We'll see, because we've got our own as well if they're not. We've got the handheld shower rail and then the main one as well, which is good. And then up there as well you've got your clothesline to join up to here to use. So not too bad. Oh, you also have the door to close for the toilet. It's sliding door one, which is good, safe space. I like that. And then you got your a full length mirror there. That's awesome. I like that it's here because I have the light. For the Universal and the summer where we stayed, so Earthside had the full length in the hallway, so the light wasn't great there, so I couldn't see properly when I was trying to see my makeup. Not too bad. I like here I've put all our suitcases, so I'm going to unpack some clothes and hang them. But it's nice that I can put it there out of the way, and there's also obviously under bed storage, so you can put your suitcases under there when you're not using them, which will probably do that too. So the bedside tables also have storage, which is good. Oh, and you got here under the TV, there's lots of power points and USB ports. So you've got two here, plus the two USBs, and then if you just follow along, don't mind the girls' drink bottles, you've got another two here, of each, which is pretty good. Housekeeping or mousekeeping comes every second day, which is good. That's usually what we get anyway at any hotel. We always do every second day, not every day. You got here near the coffee making facilities, you've got your temperature control. And then we've got a window. The only issue is we're not going to have much light in here. We're going to have to turn on the lights because we've got, I don't know what it is. The breakdancing, I think it is. The breakdancing cutout is right in front of us, so it's blocking some of the light. And then over by, so this is the front door.
What's
over
this?
Here, we've got our Disney, what is it called? My Disney. So you can ask it questions and whatever, it will help. And also behind it, you've got more 2 power outlets and 2 USBs there too, which is really good.
Cool.
To ask it anything, you can just here add more magic to your stay by saying, "Hey Disney," and then you've got your room occupied sign. So when we pull that down, when Hanya comes, I'll show you how we do that. Okay, we're putting our bed down. Very creaky. Oh, we got Pluto.
I want this bed.
Too late.
Too late.
You picked your bed. So Fran and I just went for a walk to the main hall from here to fill up to get our refillable mugs and fill them up. I've unpacked everything, so we're all settled, and now we're off to Disney Springs for dinner. We're gonna try, hopefully it's not too busy, we're gonna try and eat at the Polite Pig, have some burgers or something. Then we're gonna go to World of Disney to look for some magic bands, hopefully they have some there. Otherwise at our Pop Century store I saw one that I liked, just so we can start using them tomorrow and I can link them tonight. Miss Felixie. But now, yeah, we're going to get the resort bus to Disney Springs. Go down the stairs.
Yes.
We're in, I forgot to say, I think, the 80s buildings. All the giant things flashing you back to the era is pretty cool. Especially this 80s one, like it just brings back memories for us. You got Roger Rabbit, no, the big Walkman, I remember having them. The pool is a computer, so you got on the floor here the keyboard, you got the floppy disk, and there's a laptop up there. Man, the Walkman just brings back so many memories.
I had one like these too, that was the
Uh-oh.
You had to equalize.
It used to just be attached to me.
What is it?
Yeah, now we're showing our age. Ava has no idea what a Walkman is. You used to put a cassette in there, which you probably don't know what a cassette is. And it plays music on it, and you put headphones on. And you keep it in your hand or in your pocket. A Walkman. Huh?
What's a Walkman?
That's what I was just telling Ava.
What's a Walkman?
You put a cassette in, and the cassette has different music. You
Is
can
it
change
small?
it, and it plays music into the
Is it
headphones.
small?
Yeah, it's small.
Does it have Sabrina Carpenter songs in it?
No, she didn't have songs back then.
She was just a kid.
She probably wasn't born. We're here at Disney Springs. So many people. We've got to work out which way do we go. I need to look at my map. Let's have a look. Wow.
I want a Disney ball.
There's Sephora, Lacoste, there's Zara over there. Wow, I didn't realise all of this is here. There's Disney Ever After. So, when you get off the bus, you just come straight in and you go turn right and follow it down. You get to there's the Polite Pig down this way, like a minute walk. Amorette's, Pastisserie, and World of Disney are down this way. Gideon's is that way, just directly over. I think it's this little walkway. You follow that down. I think Gideon's is down that way. So here's the Polite Pig. Let's see if we can get a spot. So we're going to get this for the sides we're going to get corn. And we're just going to make it both our sides are corn. And we're going to add the ribs. And the girls, we're going to get them the pork sliders with fries. And for drinks, I think I'm going to get the Polite Pig Mule. The Polite Punch. That's the one I'm getting, Polite Punch. Not sure what drink Franya's getting, and the girls are just soft drink and an apple juice. Our drinks are here. So once you sit down, you can sit at a reserved table once you've ordered. That's a tracker. And your waiter brings you your food and your drinks. So he brought us our drinks. Mine was the Polite, what was my drink again? The Polite Punch. And Franya's was a slushy. And this was all done using the dining plan, so all of it is a quick service credit for each of us.
You'd have to pay extra for the ribs, but...
Oh yeah, we added the ribs, we had to pay extra for that. It was only $7, and then we added a tip as well, which we paid extra. So we ended up getting the plate for two, and you get the two sides for the two. Oh, it's here. So here's our meal. This constitutes 2 credits, one each, because it's for 2, and we got the 2 sides, like a side each you normally get, and a drink each you get. So these drinks are part of the quick service credit. And the kids get, for their kids' quick service credit, a drink and a meal. And their meals always come with a side. So yeah, this looks amazing for a quick service credit. Can't wait to dig in. Oh, that is so good. Oh, that is yum. It's got, you can taste a little hint of orange once it goes down. So good. Okay, I'm going to try some brisket. That is good. Let me try some of the sausage. Hope it's not spicy.
It's not.
Good sausage. Bit spicy. Chicken. Oh, the sausage has a kick. Marjorie try the chicken. Oh, that's so juicy. Now I'm going to try the pulled pork. The flavor's good. It's just, I think it's a dry rub. I think it would have been better with a wet rub. Let's try the ribs. So juicy. So good. Oh, that is good ribs. I mean, that and the brisket are my favourite. There's World of Disney. And Amorette should be here somewhere next to it. That's Amorette's. We're going World of Disney first and Amorette's? Okay. Wow, there's a whole section of plushies. Man, there's so many people in here.
Yeah, I know, right? Let's stick together.
Wow. Ava, you got to stay with us. Okay, found the magic bands. Let's have a look at them.
These are the magic bands. Here.
Okay.
These are the magic bands that we're going to
Blue,
get.
green, orange.
Is that Moana? Oh no, it's Mickey, but just Island.
I think our hotel had better selection. Yeah. No, she's not my favourite.
Belle.
Yeah, look at the wall of pins. It's insane how many people are in here.
Yeah, how pretty is
Crazy.
it?
Princess dresses. Wow, this store is like huge.
It just keeps going.
Yeah. And these tops, t-shirts, $17.99 each. When you buy two, I think it's.
Mama, look.
Yeah, that's when you buy two. Otherwise, they're $21.99. Yeah. It's a cute picture frame. That's a cute bag.
You how pretty you are every day.
Oh, thanks.
Mama, do you like texture?
Yeah, that's nice. The spirit
Do you like
jersey.
that one? The blue one? Griffin on it? No.
I like it, but I hate the sequins. It'll get caught to
You
everything.
have enough.
They're cute ears. They're $34.99. Like that goofy top. You found some more ears? I've got some of those.
This keeps going and going.
How much is that?
Where am I next?
$29.99. Oh, that one's nice. Is that the same price? Yep, $29.99. Oh, that's a cute apron. $39.99. How much are the oven mitts? $14.99 as I drop one. Baking stuff, measuring cups, cookie cutters, another apron. Oh, how cute is that cup?
Yo ves que vengo, me da
Oh, this one's slightly different. It's more deep. Oh, it's heaps heavier, and then they've painted that. I think I like my one better. It's not that heavy. Is that for kids or just know that you put on the wall to hang your stuff on? Is that just for display? Like a... Is it a hole?
Yeah,
On
it's a
top?
hole on that side.
Oh. Placemats. Oh wow. Hidden Mickeys. Some more house decor. That is nice. It's a spirit jersey. How much is it?
$85.
Yeah, sounds about right.
It's a spirit jersey.
A fancy way of saying a jumper here for Disney. Oh, I like these. This is the matching ears, if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. There's the matching ears for that. That is so nice. I like these too. I like this bag. It represents all the parks. I wonder how much it is. I really like that. Where is the tag? Here. $44.99. I have so many bags. How much is the smallest side one? I can't find a tag. There one anywhere else? Yeah. Here we go. It is $34.99. Loving this pink range. Look how cute this bag is. Lounge fly. How much is this one? I'm just loving the colour. $80. Wow. And a spirit jersey. It's $84.99. Best day ever. This whole section is Stitch. It's a huge range for Stitch. Because the live anime is coming out. Look at this bag. It's so cute. So is that. Does his hand move in this? Oh, it does. Rocks. Another bag. So much. This is the ear section. Look at them all. What did you get? Oh, they're pretty. You want Eeyore? So cute. Popcorn ones. I want to get the Tinkerbell ones. I have to show you. Wow. Mickey balloons.
Look at it.
Princess ones.
That would be like Snow White.
Moana, let's see. Oh, you look pretty, Bill. Mama wanted these. Oh. Look at the Moana ones. I like those. I like these too. Why does that look like a funny colour? The unicorn ones. Yeah, look. Oh, there's more. These ones are pretty. Oh, these are cute too, though. I like those. Captain America. Star Wars. Watch out. Star Wars there. Disney Pride Collection. Eeyore. Hi, Baby Yoda. Is it Baby Yoda or just Yoda? Some villain ones? 101 Dalmatians. Look at that Lego display. And there's a Loch Ness monster, or no, it's a dragon. Daniel's like Loch Ness monster. I think it's a dragon.
Look at that one in the water. It's wet water.
Look at that. Wow. Frozen. Wow. And Wizard Mickey. Let's go to Amorette's to get dessert. Yeah.
Which one?
Look at
Which
them
one?
all.
Which one am I getting? Which one?
Hi.
Goofy's place.
To go. We got Goofy, and that's what it is. Vanilla chiffon with peanut butter mousse and milk chocolate mousse. Minnie Mouse has lemon chiffon cake, white chocolate mousse, strawberry pâte de fruit, and white chocolate crisp pearls. The big one sounds nicer. That's the big one. The little one is just vanilla cake with raspberry mousse and white chocolate mousse. The character petite domes are $10 each, or you can get all 5 for $45. So you get Minnie, Mickey, Goofy, Donald, and Pluto. We got something. We got the Goofy dome. Can't wait to try it back in our room for dessert. Okay, we're back in the hotel room and we're gonna try our Goofy dome dessert for dessert. This is the peanut butter one, mousse was it or something?
Yeah.
And chocolate cake, chocolate chiffon. Okay, let's try it. Oh, it's very soft to go in. There's the inside. Oh, it's not chocolate chiffon, it's vanilla. Oh, I can smell the peanut butter. Oh.
Oh, I can smell that too. I don't. Is it good?
It's weird.
Try some of the cream.
Oh, the outside's very soft jelly. Like it is like jelly, but not at the same time.
Try the
It's
green bit.
the glaze.
Try the green bit or the white bit.
I just had another mouthful just to give you a cross section of the inside. That's the cross section.
Can I just pick it?
You can have the ear. That's Ava. I have to admit, it's really yum.
Is this chocolate? It looks like the middle of the yeah. Racist thing, Mama.
It's really yum. It's not too strong. Super light and fluffy, the cake. I really like it.
This chocolate.
Okay.
This cake thing. Gosh. Are you using chocolate? That's not chocolate. Don't put it back.
I don't know whether it's because I'm sick, but
What is this?
I've got no flavour.
Really? It's a very strong peanut butter.
Got nothing.
Okay, don't worry.
Put that in your nose. Now you have to. No,
Don't listen to him.
smell.
Got nothing. I'm upset.
It's really good.
Mama, don't. I smelled it.
Yum. Definitely get yourself one of these and try it.
If you come to
Especially with our peanut butter.
Mama.
No, it's not overpowering anything. It's just the
What's
right
this
amount.
white thing?
It's really good.
What's this white thing?
A glaze. What white than that?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Icing probably. It's got a bit of mousse, I think, as well with the cake.
That's.
Really good. that center is actually a peanut butter mousse. You see?
You drop some over there.
It's so light. Okay, we finished the dessert. I'm gonna get ready for bed because it is 11:15, and we have an early morning tomorrow because we're going to Magic Kingdom, our first Disney park. So exciting! We have some lightning lanes booked, so we'll get to do a few rides and hopefully book a few more as well. We bought our magic bands tonight. All four of us got this one, so we got matching ones. There wasn't much of a selection. Like we checked this is from our resort store. We looked at World of Disney. There was barely anything there. I probably should have did it online and got them to like on Disney.com and send it to here. But I wasn't sure if I would be able to and it will get here in time. And because we're from Australia as well, we didn't get any discounts for Magic Bands sent to us on the app, which is stupid because once we're here in the US, we should be able to do that and then they'll send it. I don't know why it's only US residents that get it. Anyway, yeah, so there wasn't much selection at the World of Disney store. They were terrible, actually. So we just came back to the store right before it was closing here in the resort and got these. But yeah, we had a busy day considering we had to change hotels. It feels like a long day, actually. Then we went to, Walmart, Target, and had some lunch. Yeah, we did a lot, but it was a good day. But now it's time to turn in, so I'm going to love yous and leave yous, and I'm going to catch you all in my next vlog. Bye, everyone.